Alright, another tech review. My wife bought me these for Christmas. She was surreptitiously asking me about wireless earbuds, especially the ones that I bought. The isotunes I bought because I had the ones that had the string around the back, and she asked me about whether I liked those, and I explained that I liked those ones because they were more molded and in this section, and the tips were magnetic, so when you took them out they just connected around your head. And she'd bought me these. Christmas is tomorrow, but it came in the mail and I'm the one who opens the mail. So the only thing I've done so far is rip the strip off this bit here in order to open the box. And then I went, hang on, I should do a review of this. So they're called the Beats Flex. This is the thing that caught my eye when I looked at the box. And it said a 24-hour battery, so all-day wireless earphones. So these could be awesome for doing my work around the yard and stuff, because some of the ones I've got at the moment, including the isotunes, the batteries will start to go partway through the day. So has on-device controls for doing your music calls and voice assistance. Magnetic earbuds, autoplay pause. Okay, so that means that they automatically start when you unhook them. That's similar to the isotune ones. And a durable pocket-friendly design. Right, up to 12 hours. Fast fuel, 10-minute equals 1.5 hour. Alrighty, so we'll open the actual box. Now, she bought these through the Apple store, so they're very much like an Apple product. Alright, so here they are. It's a feels like a molded cardboard, which I appreciate rather than plastic. Nice little layout design here. I like these type of earbuds, and the all day probably comes from the fact that it's got these two sections, so two sets to make up the battery. This feels like it's got a little bit of a wire spring into it, so that's why it'll stay around your neck. There's the magnetic connection. What else do we get in the box? You've got says a fast fuel little charging cable, which is a USB-C cable, which plugs into the side. Plugs into the side of just one of the batteries. So there's your charge connection, and then you get, oh look, just like Apple, Beat stickers. They can go on the laptop. Some safety information, bit of information in order to pair it with your devices, especially iOS. And is there anything down in here? Oh, some extra earbuds in different sizes. So I'm assuming this is the medium size that's on them now, but they've also got these extra deep ones for the medium. More like a hearing protection style one. All right, now you'll notice no charger. They're relying on the fact that people who buy these will already have like an iPhone 11, the 11 Pro, which is what my wife's got, because it is a USB-C charger. I've got an iPhone 11, which is a regular USB charger. In addition to these, my wife bought me this, like the fast charger for the iPhones. So that's what I'll be using for charging these up. So I'm going to go and charge these up, because that's what I was about to do before I thought about doing the unboxing. So this is what you get in the box. I'll do a review a little later, like I did with my isotunes, about what I think of them, the sound, maybe the distance in terms of how far away from my phone I can get, and whether they actually work when doing video recording. That'd be really interesting to know. Okay, thanks.